In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install ERPNext version 15. Whether you're setting this up for a small business or just exploring its features, installing ERPNext can seem daunting at first, but I promise it's more straightforward than it appears. We'll be focusing on getting your site up and running smoothly on Frappe Cloud, which is a reliable platform for hosting ERPNext. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the website frappecloud.com. This platform will provide the necessary resources for hosting your ERPNext installation. Once you're there, you'll need to create an account if you haven't done so already. This is a simple process, much like signing up for any other online service. Look for the Sign Up or Create Account button and fill in your details as prompted. Remember to use a valid email address to ensure you receive any confirmation or support emails from Frappe Cloud. After successfully creating your account and logging in, you will see the dashboard, which is your control center on Frappe Cloud for managing sites. You'll notice a button labeled Plus New Site. This is where the magic begins. Click on it to start the process of setting up your new ERPNext site. As you proceed, you will be prompted to make a few selections. Start by selecting the version of ERPNext you want to install. In this case, you'll choose version 15. It's always a good idea to select the latest stable version to ensure you're getting the most reliable and feature-rich experience. After selecting the version, it's time to choose the applications you'll be using with this installation. For ERPNext, you'll need two key components: Frappe and ERPNext. Frappe is the app framework on which ERPNext is built, providing essential functionalities, while ERPNext itself is the application suite providing business management features. Make sure both of these are selected to proceed. With everything set up and your choices confirmed, you're now ready to create your site. Locate and click the Create Site button. The system will now begin setting up your ERPNext environment on Frappe Cloud. This may take a few moments, so be patient while the platform does its work. You'll see notifications on your dashboard as progress is made, keeping you informed. And there you have it. ERPNext version 15 is now being installed, and you'll soon have access to its comprehensive suite of business management tools. Remember, by hosting on Frappe Cloud, you're ensuring that your ERP system is scalable and secure. Once the installation is complete, take some time to explore the features and capabilities of ERPNext and customize it to your business needs. If you encounter any issues or have questions, the Frappe community and support resources are excellent places to seek help. Enjoy your new ERP system, and happy managing.